Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color of your cards as they appear on your table in Pokerstars on the mobile app. So it's basically a lot easier to see all the different cards in different colors. You know exactly what is currently in your stack. So guys, when we buy in here, I'll show you exactly what your cards look like as a default. It's basically they will have diamonds as red, hearts as red, spades as black, and then clubs as black as well. So as you can see, this is a perfect example here. There's one black and then two red cards. But what if we wanted a different color for every single suit? We could go out of here, leave the game, go over to the account section, the bottom right of the screen. From there, you want to press the gear settings icon and then go over to poker. And from there, the very first option is 4-color deck. It's currently toggled off. So you want to toggle it on. That will activate the 4-card deck. Back out of here, back out, go over to poker, and we will sit down at the table again and you'll be able to see how things have changed. And there we can see, guys, there's so many different colors right here. Spades are green, hearts are red, diamonds are blue, and then spades are black, and it's so much easier to see what cards you actually have within your stack or within your holding at that particular moment in time. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.